Right, in this video we're going to convert angles measured in radians to degrees. So we're going to convert 5 pi by 12, 7 pi by 6 and 1.4 radians. So these are all measured in radians. So the conversion factor is to take the angle, theta radians, and then multiply it by 180 over pi. So we've got 5 pi by 12, so that write down 5 pi by 12 times 180 over pi. The pi's will cancel out. Also 12 will go into 180 15 times, and then 5 times 15 gives me 75 degrees. B, 7 pi over 6. We're going to have 7 pi by 6 times 180 over pi. The pi's will cancel out. And then 6 goes into 180 30 times. So 30 times 7 gives me 210 degrees. Here we've got a radian degree not expressed in terms of pi, so we just do 1.4 times 180 over pi. There's nothing that really cancels out, so we just work this out on our calculator, and that's going to give me 80.2 degrees to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to convert angles measured in radians into degrees. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.